Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about beautiful crochet table runner ideas. A crochet table runner is a long piece of decorative fabric that you place in the center of your table. It makes your dining table, coffee table or console table look stylish and elegant. The best part is you can make it yourself with simple crochet stitches. Crochet table runners are perfect for everyday use or special occasions like Eid, weddings, birthdays, and family dinners. They add warmth and a handmade touch to your home. Let's talk about some lovely crochet table runner ideas. First is the simple table runner ideas. This design is perfect for beginners. You can use basic stitches like single crochet or double crochet. Choose one soft color like white, cream or light gray for a clean and modern look. This simple design looks beautiful on wooden tables. Second is the floral crochet table runners. This design includes small crochet flowers joined together in a line. You can make colorful flowers or keep them all in one shade. Floral runners are perfect for spring and summer decoration. They make your table look fresh and bright. Next is the lace crochet table runner. Lace patterns look very elegant and classy. They have small open space that create a delicate design. White or off-white lace runners look perfect for formal dinners and special events. They give a soft and romantic look to the table. Another beautiful idea is the granny square table runner. Granny square are small square crochet pieces that you join together. You can use different colors for each square or keep one color them. This design looks colorful and cheerful. It is also a great way to use love after yarn. Now let's talk about the boho style table runner. Boho designs usually include frings at the ends and textured stitches. Natural colors like being brown and mustard work very well for this style. This runner looks amazing on coffee tables or outdoor tables. If you like modern decoration, you can try a minimalist crochet runner. Choose one natural color and use a simple repeating pattern. This design looks neat and clean. It matches modern homes very well. Now let's talk about yarn choices. Cotton yarn is best choice for table runner. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.